Hello, good evening friends. Today we see how to download a VS Code in Windows 7 or iPhone, Windows 11 or Windows 10. So first of all we search a VS Code in Google Chrome and then click in first link, and after it we go from Windows 10, 11, or you download in Mac also or Linux also, but I download from here Windows 11 or for Windows 11, and here download process is starting. Now you see simply the download processing is done now, 93 MB. Now it is done, and we open from VS Code. Now it is show me in VS Code, and simply we click here, and after it will open, and now we tick I accept the agreement, and now next, and now next, and now next you want to change the direction from here for as well. You want like a back, we come back, and you choose from here any processing you want to save in Windows D. Then in local disk D you can easily save it, but I already in system where the my VS Code anywhere installed from in programming. Here we show simply the in program. Okay, then we next, and next, and then we click all icon, click from here, and next, and next, and now it is installing, and after installing we uh, simply open, and we saw how to download the in a PHP or HTML CSS, this type. Now easily we understand how to download. Now our download processing is complete, and now I click finish. Now it is a open VS Code, and now we set up. That is easily already some codes are coming from here, but we cut from here or from here, and you select folder from here, anyone we create one folder in desktop. Simply this we save it in VS Code, and enter it, and select this folder, and select this folder. Okay, now it is